today, as in the previous lecture, I'm sure that you must have seen the previous lecture that was totally about the logic gates. What are the logic gates, the basic logic gates, their symbol, and also their truth table. Today it's the practical implication how these logic gates are being used in the breadboard. Okay, the first one, that is going to be the AND gate. Here it is the symbol of the AND gate. There are two inputs and one output. When both of the inputs are present there, which means there is a some source, or both of the input are 1, so the output will be 1. But if any case, if both of the input are 0, or whether one is 0 and one is 1, so the output would be 0. Okay, the instruments and the equipments which are being used in this are the wires. You see the wires look like it. Breadboard, AND gate, whose IC number is 7408. LEDs. Okay, now the starting from, now see here, it is the E column, here it is the F column, so place accordingly the AND gate IC. Just look like place it exactly like this. Okay, okay. Now connect the wire, insert the wire on the top at the right side and connect it with the positive side of the breadboard. Just you see, connected here and here, which is the positive side. You see, positive side is being given to here. And now insert another wire with the left corner and connect it negative side of the breadboard. Just see, this wire connected here, this wire here. Okay, from the start I'm going to tell you that it's not important that if I'm going to I am placing this wire, I can place this wire here, here, anywhere. Okay, it doesn't matter. It's so I can place it here, here, anywhere. The work, it will work same. Okay, it doesn't changes. It ain't going to be changed. Okay, now insert another wire at the top left side of the breadboard and connect it negative side, the negative side of the breadboard. You see, and the white wire connected here and here to the negative side of the breadboard. Here is the close picture of it. Just see, here I given the positive, here the positive, and the negative with the negative, and here from the first input, which is as actually the white wire is basically the first input, and I'm connected with the negative terminal, because according to the truth table, as I've shown earlier, the first input is going to be 0. We are going to start it from the start. The next input, just see the light red wire, I'm placing it here. Again, I'm saying I can place this wire here, anywhere. Okay, accordingly in this row, only in this row. Okay, so I can place it irrespective, it is irrespective of its place, I can place it anywhere in this row. The next thing we are going to regard is the LED. Okay, in LED there is a slight cut on the side of the LED. The slight cut, which is a negative terminal, and okay, and the other way is the positive terminal. But if someone do not see the slight cut, so they can manage it from this. You see, one is small and the other is large. The large one is positive and the small one is negative. So place it like here. Okay, as it is seen, just place according to connect these two rows with each other by this LED. Okay, these rows are basically attached with either just like this. Okay, these are linked with each other accordingly, just like this, and this column is are linked with from the start to the bottom, it's being attached with each other. Yeah. Now now connect the negative side of the LED. Okay, just going to see, just see, place the LED anywhere in the breadboard, no restriction. So again, I'm saying that I can place this LED here, anywhere. Okay, now connect the negative side of the LED and breadboard with help of a wire. Just see, as it is the negative side of the LED, and connecting this with the negative terminal of the breadboard, just giving it a ground so the current could easily flow. Now the third wire, that is this wire, actually represent the output, and we are going to connect this with the LED. But before this, just connect it here and then place it accordingly. Do not connect it with the LED, just connect it here and then leave it as it is. The source is going to be required the voltage minimum. I think I would recommend 6 volts should be there at least. Okay, now just see the voltage source connected here. Okay, now anywhere, again, as it is irrespective of their place, so I can connect the voltage source here, anywhere, or at the bottom of the breadboard. Now connect, okay, as it is written here, that now connect the positive and the negative, and the positive and the negative terminal of the battery, the positive and negative side of the breadboard. LED do not light up, which means because of the both of the input are 0. Just see the white wire and the light red wire are being attached with the negative side, so which means there isn't any source. So for that reason there is source, we have given it some source, but we have not connected the inputs with the source, so due to that the LED is off. Now we are connecting this white one, the first input with the source and the negative, and the other input, the light red wire with the negative terminal, but still the LED is off, as according to the truth table the output is 0. Now see, just see the white wire, we are connecting it with the negative one, and the light red is connected with the positive, but still as one input is 0 and the other input is 1, so still the the output is 0, according which is proving the truth table basically. Now both of the inputs are being connected with the positive side, which means we are giving some source to it, and as we are giving some source to it, for that reason the LED is now on. So this thing actually totally proves the truth table, that and according to the truth table, as I've told you earlier, that in the truth table, when both of the inputs are on, which means that if there is some source, the LED would be on, or else in any of the case, if one is on as one off, or both of them are off, so the LED would be off. But here you see both of the input are on, which means there is some source, the LED is on. Here are some close images, so it won't you won't be confused with this. You see, it is the negative one with the LED, and this is with the positive one, and it will be being connected accordingly. Okay, another close image, so just see all of these are connected just like it. Here these wires are connected. Just see, is the first input, this is the second input, and this one is the third, which basically represent the output. This one represent the output, and which we can know about the output, that whether it is working or not, whether the truth table is true or not. Okay, now we connect the wires anywhere in the breadboard, just as I've said earlier. We can connect, just see the voltage source what they are at the top of the breadboard, but I have now changed these places, I've changed the wires places, but still the LED is on, which proves that it is irrespective of the places. And these terminal, the negative terminal and the negative terminal, all of them are being connected with each other, and these positive terminal are being connected with each other. Okay, you see another one image, and which shows that is irrespective of the place, and it is it doesn't matter whether these wires and these voltage source are going to be placed at the start or at the end, it doesn't matter. Okay, now so this was all about the AND gate. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe. Thank you.